very much. Appreciate it.
The picture I just took of you to send. Did I send it somewhere else? Let me find, we have to hurry that I'm gonna marry. We gotta go to, you said Chipton. Let me see where that is.
You get a milkshake?
Guacamole and chips and everything.
What do you get from her?
Oh, a smoothie. I get strawberry mango smoothie. Should I get one of these to go with?
We have ice cream at the house.
Oh yeah, we do. And you eat them. You just want close.
Yeah,
I
I
know.
close on forever ago. It's been years. First bite forever. Oh my gosh.
Remember this one at St. Thomas?
Yeah.
They closed down.
My bread could be getting the best stuff. He got this one thing in San Francisco, it was so good.
Oh yeah, you know flavors.
Oh my god.
It's good. What kind of ice cream is it? Vanilla?
Mango.
Mango ice cream? No way.
It's like such a unique flavor. It's like
It's good for you. Oh. Hello, welcome. I know. Thank you, Faya.
I will.
Thank you, Faya.
Making us
The connection ain't good? I like a waffle cone.
Yeah, what?
It's okay.
Next time?
Yeah, next time. Fire, you're frozen. Solid like an ice box. Oh, thank you.